Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor Fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on a Bayou test run on my latest restore here. It's restore number 117. It's a 1964 5.5 horsepower Evinrude. This restore is for Sid. A full restore. Came out pretty good. I don't mind saying so myself. Paint's a polychromatic blue. Completely restored, head to toe. Pristine clean and ready for a test run. So we're gonna get out on the bayou here. It's about 85 degrees at 10 in the morning. It's gonna be 95 degrees in 2 or 3 hours. So I'm gonna try to get this test run in first. So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, got her out here on the water. She's running fine. She pushes my 14-foot Feathercraft 1957 boat about 10 miles an hour on the bayou. Runs really well. Starts right up, idles good. Let's take her for a run. Here we go. Yes, sir. Sweet as can be. Let's do a little check on reverse. Yes, sir. Reverse works fine. Let's see if we can start it left-handed. Starts right up though. This motor is for Sid. I'll be shipping it probably early next week, Sid. Shipping it to you. I'll be contacting you. Got you a nice motor here. I enjoyed working on it. I love what I do. So let's take her on in. Here we go. Alright, Sid, here's a video of your motor. I have her completely taken apart, ready for cleaning and painting. Just to give you an update, I had to replace a couple of major components on it. Your stern bracket is cracked right here where the tiller handle goes into it, so it needed to be replaced, and your gear case would not hold pressure. It was leaking air underneath this water pump cover right here. I changed all the seals in it and that fixed those leaks, but I never could fix the leak in the crack right here. So I took apart another 5.5 I had over here for parts, and I replaced your stern bracket with it. It's got all good parts on it, and I pulled the gear case off of it, pressure tested it, changed the seals, impeller. So I got those two components. I think we're good to go now. Got your magneto, you had changed all the parts on it, so it was good, tested good, cleaned the carbs, got a good gear case. All I gotta do now is clean all the grease off of it, give her paint. I got your paint ordered and the decals ordered, so we're in progress. I'll keep you updated as the motor progresses. See you next video. Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is Team Lake here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on a full restore that I'm doing for Sid. It's restore number 117. It's a full restore, 1964, 5.5 horsepower Evinrude. Got her all rebuilt, taken apart, cleaned. Every nut and bolt cleaned, all the parts cleaned, painted using vintage outboard motor paint, the polychromatic blue 63 to 69. Awesome paint. Got the gear case rebuilt, impeller changed, seals painted, new starter rope, power head tested, cleaned and painted. Still have the hood to clean and put decals on. Lower unit, lower cowling, everything ready to put back together. My favorite part of the restore process right now. And by the way, Sid sent me an extra carburetor, so I'm gonna mark them carburetor 1 and 2 and show him videos of them running on the motor so that he'll have a spare. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!